Imagine being trapped in your own body for 42 years. No voice, no movement, just silence. This is the story of Aruna Shanbaug, a young nurse whose tragedy shook India and eventually changed its laws on life and death. In 1973, Aruna was working at Mumbai's prestigious Coma hospital. One evening, she was brutally assaulted by a ward boy in the hospital basement. He sodomized her and strangled her with a dog chain, cutting off oxygen to her brain. The next morning, Aruna was found unconscious, alive but forever changed. She suffered a devastating brainstem and cervical cord injury, putting her in a permanent vegetative state. The assailant? He served just 2 concurrent 7-year terms, not for rape or unnatural sex, but for robbery and attempted murder. He walked free by 1980. Fast forward to 2010. Pinki Virani, a journalist and activist, filed a plea to withdraw Aruna's life support. The Supreme Court set up a medical board. In 2011, they confirmed Aruna was not brain dead, but had no hope of recovery. That same year, the court laid down historic guidelines legalizing passive euthanasia in India. It stated, in certain cases, life-sustaining treatment can be withdrawn, with court approval and the consent of family or a next friend. But here's the twist. The court rejected Pinki Virani as Aruna's next friend, and instead recognized the Coma hospital nurses who opposed the petition. So the plea was denied. Aruna continued to live, but never really lived. In 2015, after nearly 42 years in a vegetative state, Aruna Shanbaug died of pneumonia. But her case didn't die with her. In 2014, the SC acknowledged flaws in earlier judgments. And in 2018, India recognized the living will, a legal document allowing terminally ill patients to choose passive euthanasia in advance. A momentous shift in Indian medical ethics. All triggered by a woman who couldn't even speak. What would you choose? To live in silence or die with dignity? Aruna Shanbaug never got to make that choice, but her story made sure others will. If this case moved you, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the Grey Matter Files and Lies for more such true stories that lie at the edge of ethics, law, and the human mind. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. See you in the next mystery that challenges your conscience.